Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show you how can you find the range of quadratic function. There exist two methods. Number one, from the graph. If the quadratic function is drawn, the graph tells us where is the function drawn with respect to y-axis. I mean, this function, for example, exists here in this part of y-axis. So the range of this function is the function which is f of x is bigger than or equal 4. So this is a range. You can write it as y bigger than or equal 4, or in the interval notation 4 and infinity. Okay? The other function to the right, it's open downwards. Start from 9 and goes down to negative infinity. So the range here in this function is negative infinity. We always read the interval from smallest to biggest number. Negative infinity until this point, 9. Okay? This function, the minimum point exists here at negative 5. So the range of this function is negative 5 and infinity. That's it. If you have the function, this method number 2, if the function is given as a rule, you have two ways to solve also here. The first one, you just write or assign this is parabola open upward because this is positive value. And the vertex is 5 and 4. So the minimum value here of the function 4, so the range is 4 and infinity. Range is 4 and infinity. You can write infinity like this or a normal curve. Again, some books write it this and some write infinity like this. Both are correct. Or simply you can write y bigger than or equal to 4. This is called inequality notation. This is interval notation. Okay. This one also is parabola open downwards. Okay. The vertex is negative 1 and 5. So the function exists with respect to y-axis from this value is 5 and here until like this from 5 here. So the range is negative infinity. The range is negative infinity and 5 close. That's it. There is an algebraic method if you don't want to draw. Just write 3 minus x all squared is always bigger than or equal 0. This is fact. For every real number x, the x squared is always bigger than or equal 0. This is true. And after that, just multiply each side by 2, okay, to get the function. So 2 into 3 minus x all squared bigger than 2 times 0 is still 0. And after that, subtract 6 from each side to get. Now this is a function. Yes? 2 into 3 minus x all squared minus 6. Now I have the function f of x now is bigger than or equal negative 6. This is the range. So the range is f of x bigger than negative 6 means negative 6 and infinity. Okay. If you are given the function in general form, you have to convert it to canonical form. X minus 5, make a complete square. X minus 5 all squared minus 25 and then plus 15. Okay, so x minus 5 all squared minus 10. This is a canonical form or the vertex form. This is the vertex form of the function. So the range now, as you see here, simply negative 10 and infinity. Thank you so much. This is everything about the range of quadratic function. Thank you so much and see you next time. Goodbye.